Hello and welcome to another video. Yes, short, sweet, perfect. Thank you. Welcome to Wooden. Here I do two types of videos. I plan to at least do two types of videos. One is story time, one a well, how to do a Quora, etc. How to do on Quora. Because yeah, I got 53 unanswered. I got 53 unanswered questions in my box. You need the answers from. But yeah, I got tons of notice. I just got to go through. See, just 1 week, 1.577. You want the statistic? 1 week, 1.74 thousand views. You want 26 upvotes. You want 0 shares. I apologize for that one. It just came out of me. You want 1.7. Where was I now again? Yeah. You want 0 shares. To be honest, shares are only valuable if they are going to a populous space. And if you don't know what spaces are, it's basically micro communities in Quora. But let's start this video. As you see from the title above, how to make a Quora post, and it's pretty simple. First, I'd like to just show you the interface of Quora. We got the homepage. It shows what's supposed to be shown on a homepage. Pretty simple stuff. You see, my homepage is flooded with. Yeah, I cannot ask. Okay. Next, we have the following page. It shows everything and everyone you're followed to, because the spaces are like communities, and when you join a community you follow it, and then it comes up as a feed. I joined the Swedish one, for example, because I'm from Sweden. I joined World History of War because I am interested by World History of War. I joined Adventures in Japan because I'm a weeb. You see, we have so much in common. Then the third, where you or I hope you who are going to answer a lot of Quora are going to spend most of your time on, is the answer page. Here are all the questions that you probably should answer. Quora has an AI, like every other thing, that sorts out who should answer what and what's more likely for this person to answer. It's basically like the CEO, search engine optimization of YouTube, which is absolute trash. Requests by Quora usually is around 7 you get per day to make, but yeah, I've just not given up about them. I'm going to do them soon. Believe me, please. Yeah, that's not what I do to every question, but I might do that to most of them that bore me, because it has been claimed the history has repeated itself. Do you agree? Why or why not? What period in history do you appreciate the most? This question I've answered over and over again, which has made it a boring topic for me to give my own input on. So I just, what I dislike about the interface is when you say pass, when you pass on a question, the search engine wants to know why you pass on it, and then you downvote it. This just makes it harder for the person themselves to be able to get the answer that they need, that they want. Then we have questions from your spaces. These are questions from your spaces that have not yet been answered or have been answered, but the people want more. Look, if 4 people follow, just do it. Just do it. And then you get language questions, and basically the spaces get their own. Not the top topics get their own. And I'm a part of the wealthy people and families topic, not because I am wealthy or my family's wealthy. No, it's, yeah, if my family or I was wealthy, why would I be on YouTube? Come on, people. But this is where I get on to do most, because I just think it's funny thinking about millionaires and how they live their life, their daily life. And as you see to the left, you have questions for you, which are the questions that the search engine optimizes for you, which just sends to your feed. And then there are answer requests. People, the answer requests are the most important, because then you can just blow to all people you know. You know why? Because this one was an answer. People want an answer specifically for this person that got 16.7k content views, as specifically for me. This guy that has never written anything in his life. Alan in data science Harvard extension wanted my help. Or I mean, he's supposed to like graduate 2022, but that won't happen though due to COVID. I feel sorry for you, my man. Yeah, but it feels so. You see this? Someone with 3.7 million content views asked for my opinion on something. It feels so great. Your ego can just boast. I'm definitely doing this. You people, I don't need to impress you. It's oh shit. The questions were not low quality. It was my taste in people. Okay, I apologize if your question never gets answered because of me. Okay, answer drafts. All the questions that yours are about. Imagine Quora. It's great for one reason because all your answers get saved the moment you're writing them, and they come into here. Your answer drafts, the drafts you're writing. So if somebody just forcefully clicks off your your fleek, it's a Swedish word for a window, then you can easily just get back into it if your computer dies, etc. You know. And now how to make a Quora post, but I'll have to go through this the next video. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, comment down below. The next video will be in the description and you'll be able to watch it. Just click on the description down below and you will get to it.